Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Okay, so this is what I came up with the wire beads. I love the way it looks. But what I'm gonna do is I just put in an order for some wire, the colored wire. So I ordered more wire because what I want to do is I want to make these beads even larger. So at least two times bigger than what these are because I really I love the way it looks. What I did do though is I had a misstep. So if you can see, let me see. It almost looks even right here, but I put one bead less than I was supposed to on this side. So I put some wood beads, but I put one wood bead less on here. So it made it uneven. So what I have to do is take it apart from the back and then add another wood bead. And I am going to leave it like this. And then I call myself doing like some type of little charm, something right here with the chain. What I was trying to do was take a piece of chain and put it here like this and then put the charms on it, but I couldn't figure out. I was going to take wire and put the wire through one of the jump rings right here and then kind of wrap it around and do that one or two times along, here. But I was like, well, no, that might make it look like it's too much. So I said, okay, well, I'll figure something out with that because I do want to make it like that because when I put the chain on there, and what happened with the chain, when I was trying to put the chain along here, it had a bunch of charms hanging from the chain. So if you can see what I'm talking about, I put the chain like here, and then on the chain was all these charms hanging from this chain. But I couldn't figure out how to put this here. And it looked real pretty too, how to put the chain here and then have all those charms hanging. So if you have an idea, let me know in the comment area. So I really love the way it came out. The only other thing that I like it, but I don't like it because for with the chain, it hides the beauty of how I wrap the wire on here. So if you can see a little part of it, like right here, it hides the beauty of that. So I am going to take it apart so I can fix it and add another bead. And then I'll think about if I want to leave the charms on, because I could always take the charms off and just have the big, um, piece of glass right here wrapped in the wire. And then like so. And then I just made a dainty little a pair of beehive earrings. I'm probably not going to leave the earrings because I want something a little bit more jazzy to match with the necklace. Look at that. I love the way the wire came out. Like that is amazing to me. So I can see this bigger, like just nice big about this size wire beads, different colors and then colors mixed in and all that good stuff. So I did order some wire because I can't wait to see what that's going to look like. But this is the finished piece with the wire beads that I made. And this wire is it 20 gauge? 18 gauge. 18 gauge color wire. So I really like the way it looks. The glass, this beach glass, I got this at the dollar store. Very smooth, not sharp at all, no sharp edges on it or anything. And each bag, it's a lot of small pieces. Um, let me see, I have another one over here too because I'm getting ready to make another necklace. Let's see. So I do have, so this one. This is what I'm saying. So you see the beauty of how I wrap this and then how this wire is right here. So this is how it looks under this chain here. So I'm like, okay, well, with the charms on it, it takes away the beauty of the wrapping. So I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the charms on or if I'm going to take the charms off and then, let the pretty part show, or, what you guys think, let me know. But anyway, this is another pendant. that I wrapped, and I'm going to make another necklace using this one. This glass, beach glass, I got from the dollar store. So it's nice and smooth, and comes in different colors. And I might have got how many good pieces out of that bag? Maybe four good pieces that I can use. I got out of the bag, and it was like a bag, a bunch of small ones, and just itty bitty ones like and stuff. But it was four good ones in here that I can use. So I'm gonna make something, using this one next. So anyway, wanted to let you guys see. Ooh, I love this. I love that the wire. Look at that. That looks beautiful, and I could just see it with the bigger beads. Like, man, I could just really see the beauty of it, you know. And then just having this part show, that wire wrapping like that with the bigger beads. Oh, see, you can kind of see it like that. Look. So this is what it looked like, just like that versus like that. Or like this versus this. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm getting ready to make some more beads. But anyway, Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK. And guess what, folks? We'll talk soon. Bye bye.